In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail quickly and safely. This is a simple way to remove old, incorrect, or unwanted email suggestions that keep popping up when you start typing in Gmail. If you've ever noticed the same wrong address appearing again and again, this tutorial will help you clean that up in just a few steps. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Contacts. You can do that by going to contacts.google.com in your browser. Google Contacts is where Gmail stores many of the saved contact suggestions that appear when you're composing an email. Once the page loads, use the search bar at the top to search for the unwanted contact or email address you want to remove. Type in the name or email address as accurately as possible so you can find the correct entry. After you find the contact, click on it to open the full contact details. Take a moment to double check that this is the exact suggestion you want to delete, especially if you have similar names or multiple email addresses saved. When you're sure, look for the three dot menu, also called More Actions. Click on that menu, then choose Delete from the options. This tells Google Contacts to remove that contact from your saved list. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. Click Confirm Deletion to finish the process. Once that's done, the contact should no longer appear as a suggested email address in Gmail. If you don't see the change right away, refresh Gmail or start a new Compose window and check again. In most cases, removing the contact from Google Contacts clears out the suggestion automatically, and that's it. You've now deleted an unwanted suggested email address in Gmail. This is a great way to keep your contacts clean, avoid sending emails to the wrong person, and make your Gmail suggestions more accurate. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.